Alright guys, well, you remember my last video last night? It kept snowing. I plowed the driveway, and as you can see, the driveway is like, I haven't even plowed it yet. It's been snowing overnight. It's supposed to keep going. This is day 3. The deer are basically almost covered. The snow's not stopping. It is getting pretty crazy at this point. I mean, you can see the snow right here. This is on the roof. I'll step out a little bit here. It's about 3 p.m. Looks like the reindeer and the sleigh is getting taken over. It's looking good. I'll have to plow this later so that doesn't get too tall, so we don't get too snowbound. And we'll take a look later how much snow we've gotten. It's pretty though. Look at the deer. Baby is almost taken up. Now we're getting up to the papa, and the mama is getting covered. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright guys, we'll see what it looks like later.